Hey guys, this is Kadar, and I'm going to be talking about the giant white hyssop so you can add it to your pollinator gardens. The giant white hyssop is a perennial. It blooms in the summer and attracts bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. It likes sun, part sun, and shade. Its color is white, soil type is sandy, and it's tall. It has a planting width of 2 feet. A really nice thing about this plant is that you can make really nice teas with it. Yum! I love tea. If you have any questions about the giant white hyssop, please leave them in the comments below and tell me what plant to feature next. Thanks for watching and share with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel and at Heart for Wildlife and see my app Pollinator for a Pet, available on Google Play for free for information on 90 other plants. Thank you.